How many of you are here for the first time, just to get a show of hands? Okay, cool, so quite a few of you, yeah? This is our team. So Liz, who you'll see around, runs the day-to-day operations. She looks after the space. There is Ben, who looks after the store as well, he's over there, paparazzi. Ryan is a business guru, which I'll talk about in a minute, and there's me. So I'm a marketing manager for Telenomics. Not O2, for Telenomics, and I'm going to explain this in a minute. So, who are Telenomics? Telenomics are O2's #1 business franchise partner, okay? And we are a small SME ourselves, well, I say small to medium. Last year, we turned over £30 million, and we have about 180 staff. So we're not a massive corporate, we're on our journey as well of growth. We specialise in small businesses, and we're really pushing on that. We're now at 17 stores, majority of them are in London, we have some up in the northeast as well. We provide mobile and digital solutions, as you all are fully aware of. We have some great business partners, some of whom you'll hear about tonight, and we are slightly different because we offer a dedicated business account management to our business customers. So if you're a 1 to 9 user business, if you're a small business, you don't normally get looked after. It's only if you're a high corporate and you've got lots of numbers, that someone goes, we're going to give you a dedicated account manager. If you're a one-person band starting up, you're as important to us as somebody else because you've taken that decision to build your business and to grow. So we give every business that we have a dedicated development manager, business manager. Can we grab a seat? Anyway, I'm not that scary. And then we have this workshop, which is a really unique space in London and a unique proposition for O2 as well. And the reason why it came about is predominantly consultants, a lot of smaller businesses were coming into London and didn't really have anywhere to go. We did a lot of insight, a lot of customers told us that the world's changing, they need more flexibility, they can't afford long-term rents because they don't know what the business is going to do in 3 or 4 years. They need somewhere now while it's growing, while they're being flexible. Meeting rooms are a little bit old school, they're not the nicest, friendliest of places, they're getting really poor experiences. And actually it's quite expensive. You think about how much you're physically spending, it can end up being quite expensive. So Telenomics looked at this and it inspired them to create and be innovative and create a space like this where you can be flexible. So here we've got different rooms, I'll talk to you about them in a minute. We're giving you, and we train our teams to give you a business lounge experience. So you're going to get some really good customer experiences. You've got expert business advice on tap with our guru. So Ryan is over there. If you have any problems, he will fix them for you. Good enough guarantee?
No pressure.
No pressure? Yeah.
0-2.
So O2's proposition, which I don't know if many of you know, they did this guru thing where if you have any problems with your phones, laptops, iPads, you can actually bring them in, regardless of what network you're on, regardless of what it is, and their job is to fix it for you, or help fix it for you. That's not an O2 proposition, that's just, if you've got any products, he can look at it for you. So just bear that in mind for next time you drop your phone in the toilet. Our staff are always on the cutting edge of technology. We're training them in the new products. They're ahead of the game. The biggest thing for us at the moment is Office 365, which is transforming small businesses across the board. So if you want to talk to anyone about that, I'm sure they'll help you. And we looked at a value option. If you look around a mile radius around here, the meeting room prices is very high, seminar rooms are very expensive, and they've really looked at their costs and providing a real value option here. So in this space, as you've probably seen around, we have a boardroom which is in the back over there. We have this big seminar room. There's some private booths like these, and then you can come and just hot desk wherever you want to. Whenever you need, whatever you need, just flexible rates. If you book for half days, whole days, there's all sorts there for you. Just speak to Liz, Ben or Ryan and they can help you. Alongside that, you get Ryan as a free proposition. You can come in and just have a coffee if you need to, if it's raining outside. The free coffees and drinks and everything's free, and also the Wi-Fi's here. So instead of crashing in at McDonald's because you need some Wi-Fi, send some emails, come here, it's a slightly nicer experience. Alongside that, a lot of our business customers and a lot of our customers are on O2 get a lot of products that they don't know about. So if you're an O2 customer, you get all these products and you probably don't know about them. So if you want to know how to maximize what you can get, come and speak to Ryan, come and speak to one of the team here, and they'll fully help you. For those of you who haven't used this space, which is probably most of you, we're going to give you 2 hours free to come and just use it. So whenever you want to, just come in, use the space, use the booths, speak to one of the team, they'll book it in based on availability, but just come and use it, okay, and see how it can enhance your business. This presentation will go out with the follow-up email tomorrow for Christian, so you've got all our contact details, but anytime you pass them, just pop in and we'll be happy to see you. All right? Thank you, that's my bit done. You back up? All right, cool. Enjoy.